Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to show you how you can download your responses in Excel and number the variables in Excel. So this is your Google form. Go to responses, click here, view responses in a spreadsheet. The response sheet will be open. Now what you have to do is go to file, click on download, Microsoft Excel, click OK. So your responses will be open in the Excel. Now, I will see which questions I don't want. For example, this timestamp, this, do you consent to participate? Household incomes, residential area. I don't want these columns, so I will directly delete them. Like right click, like delete. So this will be deleted. Now, there is a question which says, are you suffering from any anxiety disorder? So those people who are suffering from any anxiety disorder, I don't want their responses. All right, this is my exclusion criteria. Means I don't want those people who are suffering from any anxiety disorder. This is me for my research. So I will delete those responses. What the simple way of doing this is, I will simply select this column. I will hit Control plus F, Control plus F. I will go to replace, find word, no, and replace it with 1. Like replace all. So all the no's will be replaced by 1. Now, I want to replace yes with 2. So find word yes, replace with 2. Replace all. All the yes will be replaced by 1. Now, what I will do is I will right click, sort smallest to largest. So all the 1 will be in the beginning and all the 2 will be in the last, as you can see here. All right, so these are in the last. Now what I will do is I will delete all the 2, means all the yes. So select this and select this, right click, delete. Similarly, do this, right click, delete. So all the yes are deleted and we have all the no's. So there is another question. Please specify the type of anxiety disorder. So those people who are suffering from any anxiety disorder and have mentioned here, we will read their responses as well. Let's say someone has written here that they are not suffering from any anxiety disorder, and here they say that they are suffering from generalized anxiety disorder. So we have to read what they have mentioned here in this column. So likewise, we delete these columns because now we don't want, we have just cleaned our data. Right click, delete. All right, so now we have cleaned our data. What we will do now, we will number the variables, because when we will transfer this Excel sheet responses into SPSS, SPSS won't be able to read these variables. So for this purpose, we number the variables, then we transfer this to SPSS. I will show you how. Now select this gender column, hit Control plus F, replace find word female, and replace with 2, replace all. So all the females will be replaced by 2. Now I will replace male with 1, replace all. So they are replaced with this. Now similarly, I will select this called age, find word 18 to 29 years, replace all. They are replaced by 1. Similarly, I will write 30 to 39 years, replace with 2, replace all, replace by 2. Similarly, 40 to 49 years, and So we'll similarly replace all these. All right. So they all will be replaced by just hitting Control plus F. Similarly, we'll do with this education column. We will hit Control plus F and then we will number the variable. So in this way, you can just number the variable and I will show you, I have done it already. So I will show you this. So look, I have numbered all the variables here. So now it will be easy for SPSS to read these because SPSS recognizes numbers and not the letters. So that's why we have to number these. All right, so now what I will do is I will transfer this to Excel in my next video. So I will show you how you can transfer these to Excel and then you can score or number the variables in Excel, in SPSS.